Most buildings don't fail because they aren't cleaned. They fail because contamination is already inside before cleaning even begins. ISSA research consistently shows that the majority of facility soil enters through primary entrances carried in on footwear. Once inside, that soil doesn't stay put. It migrates downstream into corridors, work zones, and finished floors. And here's what's often missed. That soil doesn't get cleaned once. It gets cleaned repeatedly. When you account for labor, chemicals, equipment wear, floor finish damage, and safety exposure, the cost compounds fast. Most facilities try to solve this downstream with more cleaning, but the real failure is upstream, at the door. High-performing facilities treat entryways as control points. They use properly designed matting zones to intercept soil before it spreads. Stop dirt at the door, and everything downstream gets easier. Legends Labs, where real-world problems meet real-world science.